Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Abby if you're new. Today I'm going to be sharing how I achieved this really cute crochet look featuring the Trendy Tresses island curls. I used the color 1B in 27. It was a little bit out of my comfort zone, but ultimately the hair was cute, it was big, and it was everything that I wanted. Here I'm showing you guys how I go about preparing the hair. Basically, I just fluff the hair by running my fingers through to be able to divide the hair into smaller sections. And I actually learned this method on their Instagram. As you see here, I'm just dividing using my thumb, and I split the hair into 4 to 5 different pieces and place them on my thread rack. This thread rack has been a lifesaver for my crochet styles or my braiding styles. I got it at Walmart for $10. It's the best thing, girl. You need to get it right away. So immediately through prepping the hair, I fell in love with it. Honestly, the hair is super soft and so easy to work with. So here I'm showing you guys my braid pattern. I had 6 braids in the front and 3 braids in the back. Every 2 braids I connected into 1 braid in the back, and I wasn't too worried about the bulkiness of the hair because the hair is really big. So no matter how much bulkiness I had going on in the back, once I added the crochet hair, I was going to be able to get that covered. Here's the installation method that I used. I took my crochet needle and I placed it through the braid, latched the hair onto the needle, and then I loop it through. You have the option of looping more than once for a tighter hold, but I felt that 1 loop was enough, but you can always do 2 or 3 just to ensure that you have a really good hold of the hair. I ended up using about 2.5 packs on the back of my hair, and I got a really full look, as you guys can see here. And I used the same method that I used in the back for the front of my hair, except for the top 2 braids. Once again, you see me here looping the hair just once by covering that braid, and I did that on the side 2 braids, and then the top 2 braids I'm going to show you guys what I did a little different just to give the crochet hair a more natural look. For the top 2 braids, I used the invisible method, which basically means that I loop the hair just as I would on the other braids, except instead of taking both pieces of hair through the loop, I only loop 1 piece and then tighten the hair. Now, using this method, the braid is covered and the style looks a little bit more natural, and it doesn't look as bulky in the front. So once I have all of my hair crocheted and ready to go, I like to add in pieces of hair in the areas that I know will be shown more depending on how I decide to style my hair. So here you see me adding some crochet hair in the front of the braid to create a fuller look. I do this on both the side part and the middle part of my hair. This hair has been one of the easiest crochet hairs that I've ever worked with. It had very minimal tangles and it really gave me a huge full look that I absolutely love. And don't worry, if you don't like the big hair, I have a method that I use to be able to reduce the hair in size. I also love the fact that although the hair is super big, it's not heavy and it's not hot. So once I felt like the hair was to my liking, I just went ahead and trimmed some of the ends that were a little bit tangled or stringy and needed to be cut off. And to reduce the hair in size, all I did was add some water and some hair product of choice. In this specific video, I used the Aussie Curl Pudding, but you can really use any product to style the hair. After repeating this step all over the hair, I was able to get a really cute, full, nice, flourishing crochet look. This has been one of the best hairs that I've ever worked with as far as crochet, and I love it. The color, the curl, everything about this hair is just amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.